Tired of painstakingly bending and inserting jumper wires on your circuit boards?
Ugh, that sounds like a nightmare. But guess what? The THT Jumper Wire Feeder is here to change everything. It's custom built for auto insertion, taking those fiddly jumper wires straight from their reel and feeding them precisely. We're talking super fast automation for your PCB assembly.
That's right. This feeder isn't just fast, it's incredibly accurate. It can even preform and trim the leads perfectly before insertion. Imagine, no more crooked wires, no wrong polarity, and significantly reduced manual errors that lead to costly repairs. It's all about predictable, high-quality production.
And the best part? It's a total game changer for your bottom line. You'll save massively on labor costs, freeing up your team from tedious tasks. Plus, it seamlessly integrates with most SMT machines, turning your standard pick-and-place into a versatile auto insertion powerhouse. Less space needed, more output.
Ready to automate your jumper wire insertion and boost your factory's efficiency?
Dive into the future of manufacturing at smthelp.com today.